Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In this lecture, we are going to learn about AI logo generation and how can AI help us to create professional logo. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, open Canva. By the end of this lecture, you will learn how to generate AI logos with a good prompt using a suitable logo concept. Customize AI logo. What is AI logo generator? An AI logo generates useful artificial intelligence to create logo concept based on information we provide. We can describe the brand name, industry style, colors, and overall look. And AI can help us to generate. So we'll go on the apps. No, not apps. Go back. Click on apps. Oh. Yes. Dream AI image generator. And here we will write a prompt. Together, let me write a prompt. Wait. So I have write the prompt. If there is any little bit spelling mistake, no problem. Okay. I have create a minimal and elegant logo for G Hawaii. A content creator used emerald green color and golden with a luxury and modern style. So I will select the style from here. Cinematic concept and size of is 1 by 1. And now generate. Now here it will generate the images. Like, I love this one. Okay. Real example, imagine you are starting a small floating business but you don't have logo yet. Instead of completing from scratch or use AI to generate logo fastly. Common mistake, use unclear prompt, use too many colors, adding too many items, use completed design. Pro tips. Keep your logo simple, like my logo is very simple. Let it download. Simple, easy to recognize. Always customize AI generated result instead of using exactly as generated. So, you have to practice this and create your own logos and send me an Instagram. Or tag me in your stories or post. Pre-certificate reminders, remember you can get free certificate by completed all 60 lectures and practical task. Like and comment on every video, subscribe to my channel, complete your practical work and share on Instagram by tagging me Hawaii. Complete the full course and practice task to enable for free certificate. Good job, you know how to create AI logo in Canva. In next lecture, we will learn about magic eraser and how to remove unwanted object from images. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. If you have any question, any confusion, let me know in comment section. I will see you next lecture. Happy designing. Allah Hafiz.